What is a plan? Now, a plan is a document that tells us that how our goals are to be achieved. Correct? See, it's written clearly here. A plan is a specific action proposed to help the organization achieve its objectives. Okay, now see, it is a document that outlines how the goals are to be met. Now, always understand that when we have to reach our organizational goals, where we have to reach our final objectives, then there can be more than one way of reaching that. Isn't it? See, it's written here. The importance of developing plans is evident from the fact that there may be more than one means of reaching a particular goal. Yes, definitely it can be. So, with the help of logical plans, objectives of the organizations could be easily achieved. That means if we have different ways of reaching a particular goal, what does plan helps us? Plan helps us to analyze logically that which one is the best for us, and then we choose that and reach our organizational goal. Clear? I hope this explanation would be clear to you. Taking that into assumption, I'm moving on to the next topic. Next topic says single use plan. Now, sometimes it happens that some event will occur in our life for only once. Take for example, all of you have passed your class 10 examination. Now, do you think that you will have to reappear for it in any normal circumstances? No. You have passed your class 10 examination, and for passing that class 10 examination, all of you would have made some or the other plan that I will study 6 hours a day, I will complete the theoretical papers first, then I will move to the practical subjects. Could be whatever plans you have made, you have made. Why? For passing your class 10. Now, the same concept we apply to the single use plan. What are single use plan? These plans are one time use plans. One time use plans means we plan for such a particular goal that will never reoccur in future. Will you give your class 10 exam again? No. So whatever planning you did for passing your class 10 examination, that you can take as a single use plan, because that plan was for such types of goal which will never reoccur in your life again. Understood? What is a single use plan? A single use plan is a one time plan which is designed to achieve such a particular goal, such a particular objectives which will occur only once in your whole life. Now, whatever planning you had made to achieve your or to pass your class 10 examination, that plan will be of no use again, because again you are not going to pass class 10 or you are not going to appear for class 10 examination. But that plan what you made for passing your class 10 examination, that can be used as a reference for creating some future plans, maybe by some other candidate. Your plan will act as a guide, your plan will act as a reference. It will not be of any use to you anymore, but still that plan will act as a guide for some other person. Isn't it? Understood the concept? Now let's read what's written here. A single use plan in a business refers to the plan developed for one time project, that is appearing for class 10. Just take that in mind. One time project. The event has a one specific objective. Okay. It applies to the activities that do not reoccur or repeat itself. One time that activity will happen, one time that situation will happen, and for that whatever plan I prepare, that is called as a single use plan. Okay. It is specifically designed to achieve a particular goal. Such plan is developed to meet the needs of a unique situation. Why unique? Because it will occur only once. The length of the single use plan differs greatly depending on the project in question, as a single event may plan only one day, while a single project may last for 1 week or months. For example, an outline for an advertising campaign. After the campaign runs its course, means after the campaign is done, the short-term plan will lose its relevance. It will be of no importance because I had made the plan for an advertising campaign. Now once the campaign is done, that plan will be of no use for me. But still, the plan will act as a guide for making future plans or for future references. Understood what is a single use plan? Now let us move to the next plan, that is standing plan. What are standing plans? Standing plans are those plans which are, you can say, opposite of single use plans, because those plans are used over and over again, because such plans are made for such situations which occur again and again. In single use plan, what happened? The situation was occurring only once. But in standing plans, what happened? The situations take place over and over again, and for those situations, whatever plans we make, that are called as standing plans. Let's read. Standing plans are used over and over again because they focus on organizational situations that occur repeatedly. They are usually made once and retain their value for a period of years while undergoing revision and updates. That is why they are called as repeated used plans. Sometimes you can make a little upgradation or little revision in your plan, but more or less the base of the plan would be same. That is what is standing plan. I hope I am able enough to explain you the difference between a standing plan and a single use plan. So that is all for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.